Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Yes, I am down to the last 2 urns to plant up. And, well, they're here, so we might as well really enjoy it and add in some special fall plants. For most of my planters, what I'm doing is I'm updating what I have, maybe adding a few things in. But I get to start fresh with these. So here we have a great assortment of fall plants. This is a beautiful pennisetum. It's a type of grass with these great little furry tails on them. And this nice purple color is just gorgeous. Now here in zone 6B, 7A, this is not a perennial. None of these are, but I think they're gonna give some real good interest, some real good height. And then I have some cabbages or kale. I gotta look and see if they're cabbages or kale, I'm not sure. This one is Osaka red cabbage. And then I also have some, let's see, pigeon red cabbage. So 2 types of cabbage, really pretty, still with sort of that purple tone. And boy, this has really been one of my favorites this year, to use some Artemisia. And this particular Artemisia is the Proven Accent Silver Bullet. There's something about the fuzziness of the leaves, the silver look here. It seems like a peaceful plant to me. I think that's why I like it. Like, I just like to look at it. And because the leaves are fuzzy, the rabbits haven't been after them. So I'm going to grow these from seed next year, some type of Artemisia, and see how it does. I just think I could put them so many places. Oh, they're just beautiful. Okay, so let's get planting. We're going to begin by putting our grass right in the center. Oh, everything is so root bound this time of year. If you have roots growing out the bottom like this, don't worry, just break them off. Do what you need to. Some people actually just cut the pots off by this time of year. Look at how root bound that is. I'm going to break up the heavy line of roots down here. Okay, that's pretty good. And that's going to be sunk right in the center. Look at that. So cute. Okay, and now I think let's try a few of each, just circling around. Whoops. Get my cabbages. Maybe one of these. Yep, and then a couple of the Artemisia. Let's see. These are pretty big. Look at how that's really filling out there. Oh, I love that. Okay, we'll put this around. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put this planter, so, oh, look at how root bound that is, my goodness. So I want to keep it kind of uniform on each side. I don't know if it'll be up against a wall or whether people will be able to walk all the way around it. Let's see. Oh, I love it. It just has that real fall time look to it. And the nice thing I find with the kale and the cabbage is that it really does go so long into the fall, all the way until probably November for us. Oh, these guys are going to take off now that their roots are free. This is great. And I am sort of tilting them out a little bit. Any of the leaves down the bottom that look kind of less than perfect, you can break off, tilt them out. So cute. I'm going to have to add a little, the only thing when you do this is you often have to add a little soil to it because the roots are sort of sticking up because I've tilted them funny. But it's totally worth it so I can see them. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in by hand, get some of my potting mix. There we go. And they really aren't going to put on that much growth. They will a bit because they're going to be happy to be out of their nursery pots. But, you know, this is not the time of year where we're looking for huge amounts of growth, which is why I want to pack them in here pretty well so that they look good. It's not like I'm expecting them to fill in a big gaping hole. This is sort of like what we have. Whoops, caught the branch of the grass. Oh, but it looks great. I love how this one's just drooping over, so nice. Okay, let me step back and make sure that we're pretty even here. So I lost part of my Artemisia. I don't know how easy these are to root, but we're gonna see. We're just gonna stick that in there. If we're lucky, it'll take and I'll have another plant. Oh, this looks so pretty. I just love that. Let's do the other one up the same way. And I'm laughing at myself because I'm kneeling on a cardboard box. And the truth is, I purchased Laura's, from Garden Answer, her new kneeling pad, and it arrived and it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I got the bright pink large size. It's like super extra soft and fluffy, and it's so nice. I can't use it. So I'm kneeling on my box here so that I can keep Laura's beautiful Garden Answer one inside and dirt free. I probably should just order another one so that I have one for outside and one for inside. But I do highly recommend those if you haven't seen them yet. Oh, the large size is huge, and it's gonna be so nice when I eventually give in and actually put it outside. Oh, look at these. Okay. Wow, this one is really growing through the bottom. Just beautiful. I love this. Let's see, I had that cabbage. These little cabbages are so cute, the Osaka Reds. Now, sometimes you can get really big cabbages this time of year, and those are great too. They really make an instant impact if you're looking for using them like as the center instead of a grass. Those work really well. The Angel Wings Artemisia that I got, that I planted earlier, highly recommend that one too. It just so pretty. And that one really gave a lot more height. So that's another good one to use in the center. Oh, I love this. Look at how beautiful. My little piece of grass. Okay, let me make sure we're equal out here. I'm gonna just tap everything in with a little bit more of the soil. Okay. I really do think these might be the last new planters that I'm planting up. I'm not promising I won't add things to other planters, but I think these might be the last new planters. I'm already starting to think of how I'm going to change things for winter. Sometimes, if you're lucky, the cabbages will even go into winter. And if you have like a white cabbage, I haven't seen any out this year, but the white cabbage goes so well right into winter. And if I see any of those, I'll be picking those up too. Okay. Wow, in a short amount of time, I can make a mess. Okay, let's see here. Looks good though. I'm just gonna blow this off the driveway real quick so you sort of get a better idea of the finished product. Now, these planters make me feel excited about fall. I hate to see the end of summer and the growing season, but I do love planting up more planters and to see something different, to see these beautiful fall colors. It does make me love the garden even more that we have the seasons here and we get to do so many fun projects. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.